As she was getting down from the beautifully painted rickshaw in front of Ramma Park, he held her hands with infinite tenderness, and she took a deep breath. It had rained ceaselessly, and both of them were drenched, but they were absolutely oblivious of the birds, bees, and trees surrounding their own little world. The musk fragrance of the moist air rejuvenated their spirits, and the soaked ground, the wet green foliage, the intermittent roars of thunder, and the large droplets of monsoon rain mutely and effortlessly passed them by, as if they were immersed in another planet. The salty peanuts and the piping hot tea under the banyan tree tasted like honey and ambrosia as they gazed into each other's soul. 3 decades ago, she might have worn a red checkered sari with matching glass bangles, and the crimson alta on her dainty feet might have been washed away in this rainfall. If only it was not the stormy afternoon or the stormy autumn of their turbulent lives. The approaching twilight on a wind-lashing grey evening was gathering momentum like a downhill rolling snowball.